It's not the matter of buying expensive product. You yourself, you also have work to do. That's the truth. So please pay attention to what you do. The lady was literally using this comb to detangle my hair. I had to tell her to stop, and that was the last time I went to that salon. If you have a stubborn hair and it's very hard to comb or manipulate, then this video is for you, because I'm going to give you all the necessary informations you need when handling your hair and also prevent breakage. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I showed you all how I took down my hairstyle the proper way. So if you have not watched it, the link will be in the description box below. So I would like to start this video by giving this quick tip for some of you using this comb to detangle your hair. Please stop using this comb to detangle your hair. This is only meant for parting your hair. There's a time back in those years when I usually go to the salon to make my hair. The lady was literally using this comb to detangle my hair. I had to tell her to stop, and that was the last time I went to that salon, because she was using this to comb my hair. And when I was even telling her, she was telling me, this is the best comb for detangling hair. This is not the best comb for detangling hair. It is only meant for parting your hair. This can only break your hair. Please stop using it to comb your hair. This is for afro. Like if you have afro hair and you want to like bring out your afro, but it's definitely not for detangling hair. This brush too is not for detangling hair. I don't know. For some people, it works for them because they claim that it detangles their hair. This is that gives all the praises. But for me, it doesn't work for me. This does not work for me, so I don't recommend it. But if you have been using this is with one brush. There are other brushes that look like this that people use to detangle their hair. So if you feel that it works for you, good and fine. But if you have been using it and you are noticing that your hair is breaking, then that means it's not meant for you. So please stop using it. This is what I use to detangle my hair. This is wide tooth comb. You can see wide tooth comb. So I use it to detangle my hair. And apart from detangling my hair, I am very gentle. And apart from being gentle, I have to put a slippery product, sprinkle water, put something slippery on my hair before I can easily manipulate it with a white tooth comb. So imagine if after putting slippery product, putting water, oil, conditioner, just to ease the detangling process, and you are using any of these ones, what do you expect? Your hair will definitely break, because with this, some amount of hair, little amount of hair breaks. But so just imagine if you are using this one, your hair will break very, very well, and you'll be wondering what is the matter. But you are actually the one causing your breakage. So please pay attention to what you use on your hair. It matters a lot. It's not the it's not the matter of buying expensive products. Expensive products may work, even the cheap products, and cheap products that actually have good quality. But then you yourself, you also have work to do. That's the truth. So please pay attention to what you do on your hair. In my previous video, I explained how I take down my hairstyle, like how I loosen this hairstyle, because it's actually 6 weeks old, or probably more than 6 weeks, or heading to 7 weeks, almost 2 months. So I made a video of how I took down my hairstyle carefully in order to minimize breakage and probably shedding. So if you have not watched it, the link will be in the description box below, or I'll put it towards the ending of the video. So please check the description box to see the video. The link will be the first to pop up there. So like I said, before I detangle my hair, I use water and oil. The water helps to soften the hair. It like to hydrate the hair so that it will be much better to it will be easier to manage it, while the oil creates sleep. Like to make it to be slippery in order for the comb to easily slide in the hair from the root to the tip. You can use conditioner. Just use anything that is slippery. That is the need of using oil or conditioner, or there is even hair detangler, something like that. You can make use of it. That is the essence of using all these products on your hair before combing your hair. So with all that being said, I'm going to start by parting my hair into four sections. So it will be two at the front, two at the back. And within those four sections, each side is going to have two patterns each, which makes it four sections, of which you all will see in a short time. So just keep on watching. And the reason why I'm parting my hair into these small sections is because it will be very easy for me to manipulate my hair that way. If you're the type of person that combs your hair without dividing it into different sections, I think you should try to incorporate this little tip. Put your hair into sections. I promise you it will be much easier for you to manipulate, and you can easily use the comb to slide in your hair however you please. So but if you not put it into sections, you can't really manipulate your hair. The comb may not even be able to go through, and you experience a lot of shedding. After dividing it into sections, the next thing is to start with a water. Get water and put it in a spray bottle and use it to work around your hair. The reason why I'm using water is because I need to soften my hair. My hair is very stubborn to handle. Like, before I actually put this hair into these different sections, I really like struggled. So when I'm done with the water, I will go in with this oil. This is olive oil. You can go in with any oil of your choice, or use a slippery product. Any slippery product you have around you, conditioner, the hair detangler, any slippery product you have, please make use of it. So that the reason why we're using a slippery product is because we want the comb to easily glance through the hair without causing any breakage, so that whatever that comes out will be normal, which is hair shedding. Like, first of all, I detangle my hair with my fingers. I do finger detangling. As you can see, the hair that is coming out is hair shedding, not actually hair breakage, because they're all long hair strands. So when I'm done detangling my hair with my finger, I will use a white tooth comb starting from the tip of my hair. Please don't start from the root of your hair like you just saw what I did. Please start from the tip of your hair, then you go up to the root of your hair. It's much better that way. You will notice that if you start from the root of your hair, it's actually hard over there, like that's the root of your hair. So but when you start from the tip of your hair, not only that you minimize breakage, but your hair will not pain you. You won't experience any pain when detangling your hair. If you're a mother and you have a little child, please use this method on them. I get a lot of mothers asking me questions of how to detangle their baby's hair. This is one of the ways of how to detangle your baby's hair without she crying. Like, I remember those days that we'll sit down between our mother's legs and they will pulling the hair out of our hair, and we have to shut up, and sometimes they literally beat us because they are combing our hair. Like, I don't know why. So please sprinkle water on the child's hair, put any slippery products, then you use a white tooth comb. Don't use any tiny comb, like I said earlier. Use a white tooth comb, then you detangle. After detangling that section, you twist it and you move to another section of your hair. Just this may take a while, because I know some people, they'll be like, oh, this is hard work, like because of the parts where you get to section the hair, that you do it one by one. I know that is the problem a majority of you have. You claim that you don't have time, but let me be honest with you. If you want your hair to be in a good state, you have to handle it with care. There's no need of you rushing it. Like me, for example, I don't rush my hair for any reason. If I want to do something to my hair, be it washing my hair, detangling my hair, twisting my hair, making my hair, like styling my hair, I make sure I'm not rushing anywhere. I make sure I'm in a good state of mind. I make sure that I am not tired. I literally get ready for my hair, because if I rough handle my hair will break. And that is the same goes to you. Our hair is very, 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 very fragile. It can easily break if we mishandle it. So please, you need to be patient with your hair. Handle it with care. Whenever you feel like you are tired, you came back from work, you have your hair to take care of, leave the hair. Don't worry, go and rest the next day, or find another time when you can actually settle down and handle your hair, or you find someone that have the knowledge of how to handle hair, that the person will not cut your hair or use any rough tool on your hair and end up causing damage on your hair. So these are the tips that I have to give you all. And lastly, it's not a matter of buying expensive products like I mentioned earlier. Please, even though you spend a lot of money buying products for your hair, those products can help you retain your hair strands, like maintain your hair strands, prevent them from cutting, shedding, unnecessary shedding, and all of that. Even there are some products that are of low prices, they are cheap, but they have high quality. You can actually get those ones and use, but like I mentioned earlier, it's not all about product. Oh, it's not all about product. The way you handle your hair matters a lot. It matters a lot. So over here, I'm already done detangling my entire hair, and I'm actually going to put it aside, because right now I'm heading to work, and I'm not going ready to wash my hair. This I literally woke up around 3 a.m. to detangle this hair. To tell you guys that my hair, I don't use it to play. Like, I plan the amount of time I spend touching my hair. So please take these tips, and this will help you too. In case you want a video of how to grow your edges, please leave the comments down there in the comment section below. Like I mentioned earlier, you can check my previous video. The link is in the description box, of how I carefully took down my hairstyle. So the moment you all have been waiting for is, let me show you the hair that came out of my head. Whether it's hair breaking, but I noticed more of hair shedding, because all the hair strands were long, they are not short. So this is the amount of hair. It's like literally 2 months, and this is all the hair that came out. So I don't know if this is much in your eyes, but for 2 months old hair, this is okay for me. But if it is like a week old or 2 weeks and this amount of hair comes out, please know that something is wrong somewhere. So you can use my method to detangle your hair properly in order to minimize breakage. For some of you that comb or detangle your hair in a dry state, stop it. You really need to stop it, because your hair will break. I didn't mean I combed or detangled my hair when it was dry. Like, I'm very sure my hand would have been filled up with my hair, but because of the simple procedure I used, the water, the oil, or whichever slippery product is around, I'll just use it and It helps me a lot. So if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I hope you took something out of this video and this video helped you in any way. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share to your friends. And see you in my next video. Probably the next video will be how I pre-poo or how I probably wash my hair. See you in my next video. Bye.